Hello guys, so today we are going to learn very simple function in Excel which is text to join function. It is very simple but very useful function in Excel. How do we combine two text or any two cells? So generally most of people will use something like is equal to and Rahul and Sharma, which is simple like this, which is very simple. And you can drag this and you will get all the full name which is called full name. But there is a problem with this, which is the problem is here you can see there is no space here. Generally, we will use Rahul space Shah. So this space is nothing but here it's called a delimiter, which is separator. So it is not available in the normal AND function. So for example, if you want space, so you have to go and you have to give double quotes and space and give that. So this is the way you can achieve the space. But there are different ways to combine the text in Excel. But we're going to learn all the ways today, but I also tell you the best method what to use. So for example, this is we have used add symbol, right? Next, we are going to try with something called concat function, or the function name is concat function. So, concat. So directly you can select the ranges, something like this. But this is also a problem. We are missing the delimiter. So I'm just using this. I'm writing concat. So one more we can do, which is concatenate function, which is concatenate. And you can ask me what is the difference between concat and concatenate. Concat can support the ranges, but concatenate will not support the ranges. What does it mean? So look at that. I'm selecting range something like this, but it is giving me output in two different cells, which is not required for me. So in that case, concatenate, what you have to do is you have to give a single text like this. But if you observe common things in that, we are not going to use, sorry, delimiter here. It's not coming delimiter here. So for that purpose, there is an advanced function called text join function. So text join. So this is the best function to use when you need a delimiter. For example, here I need delimiter something called space, comma, where you can see true or false. What does it mean by true or false? If I selected true, in between my range, for example, I'm selecting text 1, text 2, text 3, text 4, text 5, something like that. So whenever it will automatically ignore. So now you can see here, I'm just selecting this text and closing this. Now you can see your data is coming with delimiter, which is very important. So now you can see another one here. Let me type text join, delimiter is comma. Example, here I'm selecting false right now. Now you can see I'm selecting all the text, which is only first names. So now you can see Rahul, Priya, Amit, Sneha. But the problem is, if I delete here, look at that, it is going to give that double commas. This is because since you have selected false here. Because what is meant by false here? Let's look at that. You can see true means ignoring empty cells and false means it is including empty cells. That is the reason you have double commas. But I don't want double commas. Okay? Two. Now you can see Rahul with Sneha, which is correct. So this is a way you can use text join function to combine two or more text with separator and excluding blanks, which is very useful function in reality. I use a lot this function in reality. Alright guys, that's it for this video and I hope you like this video and comment if you have any questions or if you want to like more details like this, I can help you. Thank you. Have a good day.